Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking into the Havie Lamp. It's pitched as this all-in-one sleep sanctuary.
Mm-hmm. Sounds fancy.
Totally. It promises, like, everything. 18 color modes for ambient light, white noise, Bluetooth audio,
Okay.
and it's rechargeable. Looks pretty sleek.
Standard features for these kinds of gadgets, maybe?
Sort of. But
Yay.
here's the thing that caught our eye. The pricing and sales tactics seem really aggressive, desperate almost.
Ah,
So our mission today is to unpack this. Is it a real product, trying to build a genuine brand?
or is it just clever packaging hiding something? Well, not so great.
Exactly. And the source material we have is frankly pretty wild. It shows some questionable tactics.
Yeah, and this whole area is fascinating, right? How polished these online stores can look.
Totally.
In today's world with so much stuff online, being able to spot these red flags is just crucial for you, the listener.
So true.
We need to look past the pretty pictures and specs and see the psychology, the tricks they might use to get a quick sale.
Okay, let's dive in. Red flag number 1, the trust test. This is about immediate credibility, right?
Right, first impressions.
The Havie Lamp site hits you with logos, big names.
Yeah.
CNN, Pottery Barn, Architectural Digest, implying they've been featured.
That's quite a spread. News, home goods, high-end design.
Exactly. It screams mainstream approval and luxury. But, our sources went looking. Nothing. Absolutely zero proof. No articles, no mentions, no links on any of those sites. It's like fake endorsements.
Wow. Okay, so right off the bat, a major claim doesn't hold up. That's concerning.
Definitely. And it gets weirder when you look at, their physical details.
Yeah, tell me about the address issue. That one jumped out at me from the source material.
Okay, so the physical address listed on their contact page.
Uh-huh.
It wasn't just vague. It was copied, word for word from some other random website.
Copied. Not even like a P.O. box or registered agent, but just lifted.
Lifted. Instantly makes them seem, well, not very real, does it?
Not at all. It speaks volumes about their actual infrastructure or lack thereof.
So is it just lazy? Or is it deliberately trying to be untraceable?
It feels intentional, or at least incredibly careless. It fits a pattern, doesn't it? You have these fake media claims,
Right.
a ghost address, and then look at the marketing language itself. Lots of buzzwords.
Your nightly reset button.
And the tech terms, like 360-degree sound design, or the passive bass radiator.
What even is a passive bass radiator in this context?
Well, in proper audio gear, it's a real component. It helps with low-end frequencies without needing extra power. But here,
Just sounds fancy.
probably just sounds fancy. It feels like they're using technical jargon to distract you, maybe because they can't provide, a real address or real press coverage.
Okay, this is already looking shaky, but the next red flag,
Mm-hmm.
this one is, I think, the most damning.
The reviews.
The reviews. Red flag 3. The site is packed with glowing 5-star testimonials. Happy customers, supposedly.
Okay, typical marketing, but
But look closely at the dates on these reviews. We found several dated March 2025.
March 2025, okay.
Yeah.
So,
the website domain, the actual havie-lamp.com or whatever it is, it wasn't registered until September 2025.
wait, September? Let me get this straight.
Yeah.
The reviews praising the product appeared online 6 months before the website selling it even existed.
Correct. It's literally impossible. Time-traveling testimonials.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's not just bending the truth. That's fabricating evidence wholesale.
It completely shreds any credibility they tried to build,
Absolutely. And this isn't happening in a vacuum. If this product was real and gaining traction,
right? You'd expect to see chatter elsewhere.
exactly. You'd look for feedback on Trustpilot, Reddit, forums, places they don't control.
And is there any?
Complete silence. Nothing. No verified, independent customer experiences anywhere we could find.
So the only positive reviews are the impossible ones on their own site.
Seems like it. And then add in the sales pressure you mentioned earlier.
Oh, yeah, the constant sales. Autumn sale, 40% off.
Yeah.
Buy 2, get a mystery lamp free, a free 5-year warranty thrown in.
It all points to a strategy of quick cash grabs, not building trust or, long-term customer relationships.
It feels like a sprint to sell as many as possible before people catch on.
The whole pattern, the fake press, the copied address, these impossible review baits, it just doesn't inspire confidence. Transparency is totally missing.
So the takeaway for you listening, be really cautious with the Havie Lamp.
Definitely. Until you see genuine, verifiable customer feedback popping up elsewhere, and maybe some actual transparency from the company.
It's probably best to hold off.
Yeah. What the sources show is a company putting effort into faking proof, but apparently not into, basic business infrastructure like a real address or accurate timelines.
Which leads to a final thought, right?
Yeah.
Something to consider for any online purchase, really.
Exactly. Think about what it actually costs a company to create this kind of fake proof, the fake logos, the made-up reviews.
Versus the cost of actually being legitimate.
Right. And then what does it cost you, the consumer, if you overlook that basic due diligence?
It's not just the money for the lamp, potentially.
No, it's your time, your frustration, dealing with a company that might have been built on, well, a calculated lie from the start, something to keep in mind.